This home has so many features it has to be seen to be believed. 3-bedroom/2 bath with so many custom features including main level living area with beautiful custom tile flooring, metal wall accents, barn door into the laundry room, 2 water heaters, a gorgeous kitchen with lots of built-in cabinets, distressed shiplap look accent wall, all newer kitchen appliances and pantry. Upstairs 2 rooms were combined into a large master suite with 3 separate closets, built-in cabinetry, shiplap walls, recessed bed area and a full bath with a walk-in tile shower. There are 2 other nice-sized bedrooms. One bedroom has the walk-in closet set up as a really neat dressing room. The heat pump is approximately 2 years old, roof is 4 to 5 years, and new siding was put on in 2014. The backyard is an entertainer's delight with a custom-look sheet metal privacy fence, huge above-ground pool that has a 2-year-old